Good morning students. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to learn about singular and plurals. Singular and plurals. Singular means already you learn in your first class one and many. One and many. One means singular. One means singular. More. More means plural. More means plural. If we have one pencil, then it is called singular. How many pencils here? Only one pencil. That means singular. This is called singular. Look here. Now, how many pencils we have? 3. That means more than 1. More than 1 means singular. More than 1 means singular. If we have only one pencil, it is called singular. More than 1, that means 2, 3, 4 or any. More than 1 means, very good, plural. Plural. More than 1 means plural. Pencil, pencils. We have to add S. Pencil, pencils. Okay, children. One box. Here, 2 boxes. Box, boxes. Here 2 boxes are there now. 1 box, 2 boxes. Okay, singular, plural. Here, what is this? What is this? Crayon. Only one crayon. Here, more crayons. Here, more crayons. Singular, plural. Crayon, crayons. We have to add S for crayon. One crayon, more crayons. Look here. Remote. Only one remote. Here, more remotes. Remote, remotes. Remote, remotes. Look here. Only one book. Here, look here. Here, more books. Book, books. Book, books. Okay, children. Here we have some more pictures. Shall we learn these? Look here, everyone, look here and repeat after me. Crayon, crayons. Crayon, crayons. Key, keys. House, houses. Car, cars. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Brush, brushes. Dress, dresses. Box, boxes. Lily, lilies. Pony, ponies. Trophy, trophies. Berry, berries. Loaf, loaves. Scarf, scarves. Wife, wives. Shelf, shells. Next, child, children. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. Tooth, teeth. Look here, some more examples are there. See, most of the nouns are, we should use S for plural forms. Okay. See here, book. If there is only one book, that means only one, that means book. More books, we have to add only S for book. Book, books. Cat, cats. Table, tables. Flower, flowers. In all these we are adding only yes. We are adding only yes. Here see, some more, or we should add es for some words. What should we add? Es. The words which are ends with, see here, for the words, look here everyone, bus, glass, bench, fox, bus, buses. What we add here? Es. bus, 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 buses. Glass, glasses, es. Bench, benches, es. Fox, foxes, es. The words which are ends with es, ss, ch and x, for these we are adding here es. Okay children, the words which are ends with es, ss, ch, sh and x, for these words, for plural forms we have to add es. What we have to add? Es. Okay children, see the next one. Nouns ending with f, fe, f or fe, we use ves in place of f and fe. In place of f and fe. Look here. What is this one? Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Instead of F, here we have to add V-E-S. L-E-A-V-E-S. Here also, knife. F-E. Here we are adding here V-E-S. Knives. Calf. Calls. Wolf. Wolves. Okay children. The words which are ends with F, Fe, Ves, F and Fe. In the place of and Fe, we should add Ves in plural forms. Ves in plural forms. Okay. Look here, some more examples are there. But in some time, roof, roofs. We use only yes. Roof, roofs. Chef, chefs. Safe, safes. Giraffe, giraffes. Okay children. Tray, trays. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Ray, rays. All of you read, everyone repeat after me, okay? Look here. Fly, flies. Baby, babies. Lorry, lorries. Cherry, cherries. Here see, these are Y, ends with Y. All these words are ends with Y. Y is vowel or consonant? Y is consonant. Fly, baby, lorry, cherry. All these are the consonants and it gives E sound. Fly, vowel sound. It gives vowel sound. Fly, baby, lorry, cherry. And these all are, instead of Y, here we add IES. Instead of Y, what we are adding here? IES. Okay. See, some more examples are there. And for some words, we shouldn't, there is no change in plural form also. For some nouns, there is no change in plural form also. Okay children, same for singular and plural. What are they? Sheep. If there is one sheep, then it is called sheep. More sheep also it is called sheep only. Sheep. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. Aircraft, aircraft. So there is no change in plural form also. Okay children, we have to read all these plural, singular and plural forms. Okay children, read, everyone read. Okay, we will meet again in the next class.